I'm going to talk about, this is a Harbor Freight tool bag, and this thing's been really good except for one thing. Chisels and screwdrivers and whatnot go in here. I lost a $40 electrical tester out of this thing because of those holes in the bottom of this bag. And so anyway, I ended up buying me a new bag, but I gonna see if I couldn't find something to work in my new bag so I don't do this in this one, in the new one. Anyway, so what I come up with and what I have done is I went down and bought these 1-inch PVC caps, and they seem to fit perfect in these. Plus, I've got some 1-inch PVC, doesn't matter if it's electrical or plumbing, and you can glue them on here. I can get that on there. There we go. Okay, and then you can glue them on there and stick the whole thing in there. That way, when you stick a screwdriver or whatnot, you know, of course, you need to cut it off down here. Matter of fact, I think I'll do that right now. Okay, got this, shove that in there. Pretty much flush with that, but these chisels are the ones that's cut the holes in the bottom of that thing. You can put a chisel, you can probably get 2 of them in there maybe, I don't know. And these screwdrivers have to also. Now you can use it with the pipe, or you can use it without the pipe. You probably get more stuff in there maybe, I don't know, but anyway, I'm going to leave that up to you. Now when you get to these side pockets, they're a lot wider, and you can't really use these, and as you can see, there is a hole in there. So what I did, these are brackets that hold downspouts against the wall. You know, you just put a screw in there and you just snap the downspout on there, it'll hold it. But anyway, these fit really well into these side pockets. They only had one that day, they're going to order me some more. But even though a chisel's going to go in there like that, and it's probably going to get off to the side and cut another hole in there, you know, you just got to try to keep from putting chisels in here. Use it for, oh, maybe whatever the case may be. Whether you do electrical work or plumbing work or something, and leave all your ones on the ends for all your screwdrivers and whatnot. You got pliers, you know, whatever you might need. They're going to go down there and hit the bottom of that thing. But you know, while this thing, you're going to be sliding this thing around on the floor, and it's going to wear a hole in there. But with that plastic piece down in there, there's a less chance of something falling out. So this is going to kind of be my backup bag now, because now that I've got that other one, I'm going to do the same thing. Get these caps and pipes so that I carry all of my stuff. And the nice thing I like about these small ones is I can fill this thing up and it's not too heavy for me. I mean, those great big ones, you can put so much stuff in there and they just get so heavy that you almost need a dolly to carry it around. But I understand it's great when, you know, if you're in the kind of work where you need all these different tools, you know, whether it's for fixing windows, or plumbing, or electrical, really doesn't matter. And of course you can put Sawzall blades in here. I'm sure this had a lot to do with cutting holes in this thing, because I'm real bad about carrying Sawzall blades. Anyway, alright, well you kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about here. And for just, gosh, I mean this stuff is so inexpensive. It's not going to be anything at all to go down and maybe spend $1 on everything you need. And then you can protect your case. Alrighty, well, I appreciate you listening to me. Have a good one.